what we found.
More human stuff, eh? Let me see.
Can you tell us what it's for?
This is special. This is very, very unusual.
What? What is it?
It's a dingle hopper.
A dingle hopper?
Oh, these babies are fantabulous. Absolutely indesperate. When it comes to dingle hoppers, I'm a regular encyclopedia. Say that. Wanna have a hairdo like the folks who live up there do that. They'll flap their wigs. Flop their wigs. Flap! Oh! Well, you'll look absolutely dandy if you use one of these handy little thingamajigs.
Thingamabombs.
Jigs!
Bombs.
I'll pick up the dingle hopper just like so. Twirl it the way I'm twirling now. Give it a little yank, and there you go. You're what they call a dog's meow.
Wonderful stuff. That human stuff. Can't get enough of human stuff. And we are the authority. No need for us to bluff, because we're great at explaining human stuff.
What's this?
A snarf blast.
Wow.
When they invented snarf blats just by chance, suddenly life was la-dee-da. Snarfs are what they used to make folks dance. Give it a blow and then voila.
Wonderful stuff. That human stuff. If you're a buff of human stuff, it's marvelable,
Stupendable, completely A-OK, which sounds absurd, but take my word, that's what the humans say.
wonderful stuff. That human stuff. None of it fluff. Not human stuff. And heaven knows this word of pros from us you'll get no guff.
And once you've got it, who's in my jig?
A thing-a-ma-what?
A whatchamajig?
That's all you need to bring you up to snuff.
Right up to snuff with proper dingle hopper groom, and rest assured you'll look real human. We know, 'cause we know human stuff.
Does this thing really work?
Sure thing, and it ain't just blowing smoke. It makes music the likes of which you've never heard.
Music? Oh no, the concert. My father's gonna kill me. Wait, the concert was today? I completely forgot. Come on, Flounder. Thank you, Scuttle.
Anytime, sweets, anytime.
Oh.